So welcome back guys, my name is Innocent the host. In this video I'm going to show you how I make this type of PNG ships and with my image inside with PixelLab. So firstly we should head over to let's get started. So this our canvas. So our PixelLab, this is what we are going to do. We are going to create shape, resize the shape. There we are not going to reduce and now increase the radius a little bit. Then we'll now click on the OK button. Then we'll now reshape it. We'll now resize it. Then we'll now come here and copy it still. Increase it. Copy it again. Bring it down once more. Copy it. Reduce it. Then bring it so that it should be like step by step. Then copy it again. Reduce it more. Then I'll bring it down. Then if you have do this, you can also come here. Since you already have this, you can also come here, copy this, place it up here, click here, copy this, place it upward. So now you are having something like this. You now come here, click on this and highlight all. You now highlight all. Then now match them together. Good. So now you are having one particular shape. So the next thing we are going to do is you now come to your texture. You now click on this to take you to your photos. Then I'm now going to select one image that I want it to be inside. Any type of the image that I want it to be inside the box. Let me see. I want this my image to be inside. Then I now click it and click OK. I'm not going to resize it very well properly. Then I click OK. So this is going to do. If you don't like it, you can easily resize it so anyhow you want it to be. Hope you understand. Then now we are having our PNG shape. Hope you understand. You can place it in any type of background color you want, but this is the most easiest way to do this type of shape without going too far. So if you watch with me to the end of this video, kindly subscribe and share. Thanks.